everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix DoorDash login error. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to log into your DoorDash account but you receive a login error, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. If you're not connected, make sure you do in order to log into an account. You can also try resetting your router, or you can unplug it from the socket, plug it in back again, and wait for quite some times until you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular network. And once you are done, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in www.doordash.com and press enter on your keyboard and try logging into your DoorDash account. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to make sure to clear out your browser cache. Go to the top right hand corner and click the three dots. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. From your settings page, select Privacy Search and Services option from the left hand side of the screen and scroll down until you see Clear Browsing Data option. Click on Choose What to Clear button and make sure that you've selected Cached Image and Files, Cookies and Other Data in the option displayed. Click on Clear Now, and once you clear out the browsing data, you might be able to solve your issue. Once you make this change, you'll be able to solve your DoorDash login error. Also, make sure to enter your credentials correct while logging into your DoorDash account in order to avoid any login error. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever you're having DoorDash login error using your web browser. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.